Hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and I have a few things to show you from my friends at FGNORMAL. You can already tell what that is. This is part of my collection. I'm completing my collection. So let's look at it. I'm going to mark this one off as part of the collection. Let's see if I can find the opening to show it to you. I don't think I have many left to go. Maybe one, I think. Maybe. I don't know. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, you're probably new here, so welcome. If you've been around, you know that I'm collecting these, as we call them, dessert cups. That's what they're called, dessert cups. I don't know why I didn't have this open and ready for you, but look at it. It's super cute. Cool off with watermelon. I love watermelon. Do you like watermelon? I do. It was a big joke in our family. My mom hated watermelon. We always tried to sneak in watermelon stuff on her. Sorry, Mom. But we did. We all liked watermelon except for her. So, but yeah, isn't it cute? Let me see. Is my list here? My list is here somewhere. Do I have almost all of them now? Let's see. I needed August and October and November. All right, we've got August. Have I gotten October's yet? I don't know. I'll have to look back and see. I keep them all in one spot. Anyhow, they're so cute. I love them. Someday, this is on my someday list. So what colors would you expect over here? Greens and reds, right? And some pink, and some pink, some grays, all that white for the background, but lots of reds. See them? Lots of reds, some pinks, grays, and some green, of course, for our cup down here and our lettering. Love it, love it. It has 20 colors, in case you wanted to know that. 20 colors, love those. Love them, love them, love them. Yeah, this is the first time in a long time I haven't gotten things out and had them all flattened for you and ready to go, but you know what? I'm in a batch videoing moment here. My husband's off next week, you guys, the whole week. Here we go again. We're trying out that retirement thing. So he's going to be home all week long. And so I thought, well, if I can at least get things recorded. Well, look it. I've never had that happen before. There's a little four-placer in this little toolkit. It's not even clear, like translucent-y like the other ones are, you know what I mean? And it's different. It's different. Anyhow, that's kind of cool. All right, and it comes with pre-bagged drills. Ooh, pretty pink right there. Pretty pink. Grays, tans. What'd I get? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's some gnomes. Of course. Hang on. They're too ruffly and bumpity. Sorry. I've avoided doing this for a long time. I've been prepping ahead of time for you guys, but like I said, these all came in just the other day, and I'm like, let me just get them recorded. Can always produce and upload, but recording's my thing. All right, you're so far away. Why are you so far away? There we go. Much better. Just let it snow, let it snow. And there's a girl. Here's a girl gnome for the people who were thinking they're all boys. They're not. There's a girl. A lot of snow. We got the red truck. We got the barn. I just did a red truck and a barn painting yesterday. Anyhow, cute. 24 colors. Want to see their hats? Look at their hats up close. They look good. Confetti. Hello, confetti. The background is not one color. That's confetti too. Okay, so you get a bunch of W's right here. Ooh, and several Q's right there. But other than that, and look at the plaid. I love the plaid. Love plaid. So here's our colors. You can't really see them. There's 24 of them packed in there, and we can see like 10. All right, we'll look at them. We don't have a lot to look at today. We'll investigate. We shall investigate. See what kind of colors we get here. Off-white, brown. That's like green. Some pinks, burgundy colors, peaches, green. We got trees. I guess we need some green. Blues, browns, greens, tans, more green, more red. Is this black? We have black. And some pinks. That's our colors. I like them. I like it. It's super cute. All right, super cute. Add that to my number. What is it? 95, 96. I don't know. Who's counting anymore? All right. to go with Christmas, I'm not going to open these. Well, I'll open them. Why not? I found my X-Acto knife, so we'll just get into them. Oh, not like that. We won't. That's like a plastic top on the box. All right, let's try it this way. Trying to poke through the plastic box. I could have, probably. Anyhow, I think I've gotten these before from somewhere. Well, there, now you can see them better. So this is a big, wide washi tape. This one's kind of wide. These are like your standard. They're just different sizes, different widths. They're all Christmassy. These will go in giveaways. Keep your eyes open, ladies and gentlemen. If you win something, you might get one of these fantastic Christmas washi tapes. Lucky you. All right, last item on the docket for today comes in this lovely battered up box. You know, sometimes they don't quite make the journey properly. All right, so this is answering my question that most of these stand-up type things that have the stand are coming with Santa on them. You know, I talked about this before. I got a lot of suggestions from people, covering it, paint it, whatever. And I probably will, except I think this one goes with this one. But it didn't match the last one. I wish they would just maybe just make them either clear, because I don't really need to have anything on the base, or something very generic. You know what I mean? Toolkit. Here he is. Here he is. Ho, ho, ho. So see, it fits with this one. We can have Santa in the Santa stand. But isn't it cute? Santa and his reindeer. He's going down the chimney with his presents. This will be cute. This will be for like one of my grandkids or something. I think they would like that, right? It's special drills, if that excites you. It does me. So let's look at them, see what our colors are. I don't think there's going to be very many like special stones in here, but we'll find out. Oh, well, let me lie right off the beginning. Let's have some white ABs. Who knew? White AB, probably in his beard, the snow, and his trim here. Maybe, probably. Number one. No, not in his fur. Just in his beard and the snow, I guess. Okay, I'll stop looking. Clear. 2 reds. 2 greens. A blue. A couple of oranges. That's got to be the reindeer. A gray. Black. Purple. Pink. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Oh, look, there's some larger ones right there. Some larger green. We got a couple. We got a couple special things. Then we have a few of these little gold ones. Oh, we got some things here with some things there. Okay. A few little yellow pearls. And, oh, my favorite, my little snowflakes. Love those. So that's what you get. And he's cute as a button, right? Cute as a button. Ho, ho, ho. He's cute. I like him. All right. So thank you, FGNORMAL, for sending great stuff. And thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you come back. See more stuff. I got fun stuff. Fun stuff. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.